all. And in our Android application programming tutorials, today we are starting with the new videos called the relative layout. Our emphasis will be on the relative layout. Some people, we have received comments that some people find that the relative layout is little tricky. However, it's not so. Relative layout, if you relative layout. So in this video, first I need one image, so I will go into my recent folders and I'll check for some images, and then I pick one. The so I say I take this Faraday's email, and I'll put this into my drawable folder. Um, Here it is, my resource folder, and there it is, my drawable folder. I'll put that image in this video. Okay, so again I pick the image from there. There is, where is his name, was Faraday, right? So where is Faraday? Here is Faraday. So I drag the Faraday and put it in the this drawable folder. Now in this activity we'll go for its constrained layout, so we'll go for the relative layout, and I'll explain you in terms of relative layout how it works. So I try to design, I'll take the help of this design view, and then it has a text view. Remove this one. Now I take one image view into this, drag it and select from this Faraday. Fine. So this is my image view. I will just use the help of design view. This is easier because even in all kind of machine it is there, strongly it is there. So you just simply drag it, and here you okay, so I just see I increase its size. Now I try to provide support from both ends. So here it is, here you can make it like this. Now it looks fine. So I provide one support from top, also 46, make it little here. Then I remove this anchor. I don't want three end support, is fine. So now I'll go for one plain text view and I put it here. So the naturally everything goes into this corner, and then from here I have to take it down. So I put one anchor here, and then one anchor here. Then now bring it here. Then you provide one anchor from here, and then one here. Yes. Mm, One support we need from this one. So here. Now I remove this one and this also. So it has got support from the left end of the parent, and it is just below this image. Then I'll take one edit text and I put it here. So again this will also naturally go to the end. Here it is there. Now drag it down, pull it beside. So now this is on the left side of the parent from this side, because the parent is this is parent screen window, and from left side the left of the parent, bottom of the parent, but from the left hand side it is on the right side of this text view, this one. So I need to anchor this to this here, and now I just say that it is also below the same image. So 15 here it's saying, and here it is showing 22. So I try to bring it down, and then it is 15, so make it 20, and this is here little, it looks like as if in the middle of something. Fine, now I don't need this. Then I take one button. If you just, if you feel like you can put one more layer, one more text view below this, okay fine, let me do this. Here it goes there, then I put one end here, and one end here. Some people find it very easy to use the text view. I also like using text view, but for the novices, for the learner, I find that is not that easy, because young people who is the parent of this, so this design is actually fun to play with. Now see, I this is the common problem these days we are facing due to the machines. Come on, come on. Yeah, it's connected now. Here also it is connected. Then I remove this link and I put one more text view here. Then again it might have gone there in the corner. Then I drag it here, and then better you pull it down. Then I try to put it beside this one, because now here I link this with this and this with this. Now put this one little down. Now here, yes, so bring it in the middle of something so that it looks nice. And then this bottom view, bottom connection, yeah, I need to remove it. Then I need one button. Then I take one button and I put it here. Again it will go to the this end, and one down. Then I try to bring it here, one anchored position here and one anchored position here. Now I remove this bottom link. The difference between this link is, if you see, now let's see how it behaves when I run it, try to see how it looks on the emulator. Then come on, emulator, be right. And this, Yes, now it's coming, and then you see how it looks. Yes, now the button is only not seen. Now why? Because it is expressed in terms of the this anchor. Now I remove this. I name the text, change the text from this is submit. Okay, then I change this text as hint email. Then here I give it a text email. Then I make this one as name. Then here I give the hint name, remove this text. Now you see how it looks. Then we'll go and see that how everything is expressed in terms of the parents. The relative means the how one element is placed relative to the other. Now this designing is proper. We have the two text views and two edit text, one image at the top, and this is the bottom. This is the button at the bottom. Now this looks very nice also. Now this designing, otherwise if you see in the terms of text, so you hear the description, it says that image views, this one is the id of the image views, the layout width and layout height both are the wrap content. Align parent starts, it's saying that at the beginning of the parent starting is true. Align parent top is also true. Align parent end, this is not true because the image is not at all linked with the this one, so we can make it false. Okay, now the margin start, margin top, this is fine. Now text view, the first text view you saw in the description, if you see that the first text, this text view, it is at the bottom of the image, and on the left hand side it has got the parent, so it is on the right side of the parent, on the bottom, on the below the image, and on the left side of the this edit text. So it says that align parent start true, this is also not correct. Now you can make it false. So here edit text at the view, at the top, at the parent view, margin start parent, so this way all these things are given. So if you just design, then this way I always find this is easier. Many people find that there's those who are very versed and those who have the great experience, they find that this text is fine, but these days when the IDE is also advanced, getting advanced, then why should we not take the advantage of situation? Because the till you gain the experience, till you understand the nitty gritty of the layout, till then the designing is, otherwise you can also understand that it is left of this, right of this. And now this is how our output is there. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel and just help us so that we can continue helping.